Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect Blender with a Claude. Claude is officially released Blender connector. So let's see now how to connect with this. With this Claude release, there are a couple of other MCPs, sorry, other connectors as well as. Feel free to check it out. And for this video, we are talking about Blender. As you can see here, now let's get inside quickly with the Blender. This is my Blender. First, I'll show you a quick interaction demo, and then we will get inside the installation and etc. other points. Now I'm opening desktop application. This is my desktop application. As you can see side by side, maybe you can move it. One thing is better directly tell to the Claude a simple way. This is what I tested. I mean, I feel good. Maybe this may be not a big effective factor, but feel free to do it because I don't want to go my Claude and verify. For that verification purpose, I don't want to spend more tokens, because if you're not giving this prompt, Claude might go and verify whether Blender is opened or not. So once you're done this, the Claude will come back and say, hey, okay, I'm ready. So let me tell you, feel free to tell me whatever you want. Now let's test it. Very simple one. Uh, can you change um, cube to sphere? I would like to explain this one later. Yeah, you can see here, left side, it's got changed to sphere. Let me show you one simple one. Okay. Now I'm going to ask her, hey, create a very effective animation. Also create a crown and a very beautiful and accurate physics. Okay. This is where Claude taking an advantage, and it's communicating very well with the Blender. Basically, how does it works when you integrating LLM with your Claude? As you can see now, it's created a basic plane. Let's zoom and see. So it is connecting behind directly with the Python, where since it is official one, Blender guys given very deeply integrated this MCP, so that Claude can go and deeply understand the code structure, how Blender works, and it is get it done very beautifully. Now you can see this, the coins has been generated and added a light. Okay, now let's make it full screen and we'll see. This is what animation, we haven't done anything. This looks really stunning. Look at that last coin. Look at that. It is extremely good. It's not one. So let's zoom a bit. Look at the coin details and everything. If you want to make it, let's see with the also added a shaders, and let's go and test it with the GPU, and also denoise I applied. I'm mostly the, okay, of course it's not actually applied a gold color, but it's okay. We can go and actually it's applied. Some reason this is, oh, it's too much. Okay, okay, let's not make it all this nonsense. That's more than enough. So that's the here you need a human evaluation. So it is not something. By the way, I would like to tell you here one thing is, it's not something everything you can do and you can get it done with the LLM. You can use them as a companion. You can use fasten your workflows, but also you should equally know if something goes. Okay, let's say something goes wrong, you need to put it manually your hands and you get it done. It's not something like a, hey, you give a one shot and everything get it done. It doesn't work that way. So let's see now. It looks, at least for me, it looks really good. Look here. It looks really good. Okay, let's come back now, and I'm going to show you a couple of things, how to get it done and everything. So that's about thing. You can go and do a number of things. Fluids also coming really good. Also, you can upload an image. For example, let me set a bit small thing. You can ask like, hey, can you create a cute castle in Clash of Mod style? So this is what I'm asking here. Let me build a step by step. Let's see. Meanwhile, we will go on the discuss few points and come back here. So if you want to install, we go and read this one. This is the main page, and come back to the Blender. This is the installation process. I would like to tell about the installation process. So go read at it. It's a straightforward. You can hold it, drag and drop directly into your Blender. That's one thing. But I would still suggest download it. That's the simplest, easiest way. You just hit the download, then it start downloading the Blender MCP. You can see this. This is the my MCP file. Okay. Now, once you've done this, that's it. It's extremely simple. You go download it, but you should understand technically how does it works. So now it's creating this one. It's it's trying to create like a Clash of Clans. Okay, let it be. Now, yeah, I mean, I would like to tell what it is. It is coming like a very basic. It's not going to create something very great kind of a realistic kind of things. So why I very explicitly mention Clash of Clans, they're trying to go with the I was expecting more of some sort of a charm for here, smoothness and all, but it's trying to pick up like a very easiest way and try to keeping boxes simple shapes. Let's get inside now. How to set it up? We already downloaded. Go to edit preference. I already downloaded, but I can show you still. This is my MCP. You can see, come here, you have to go here, install from disk. Once install from this is just like any other add-on how you are adding. So just go and choose here. Once you chosen, it will come here. And till here people will know, but I would like to explain here. You need to aware about if you are doing something deeply on the technical front, just aware about these points. What it does generally, when you are running, you need to run one client server. You need to run a server. You are the hosting. Basically, this is the hosting. Um, you can see, right, this one, the port 9876. This is what the technical things. Whenever you want to set up this with the external one, you need to match with this number. By default, Claude knows already this number of port number. You don't need to worry about. So if you want to stop the server, for example, by default, this will on. Whenever you open a Blender, by default, this server will on. That means MCP is running on backend. You don't need to worry. For instance, you install MCP, but you don't want to run it. You don't need to do it. You just go and hit a stop. This MCP is a bridge between your Claude and your Blender in a simplest way. So if you start again, MCP will start, then your Claude can ready to communicate with your Blender. Okay, all right, that's how you need to do it. This is about two steps you need to do. One is this is about the Blender side. Next thing, you need to do some sort of a thing from Claude side as well. I would strongly suggest try to whenever you're doing try to use the desktop application. Sometimes you will get some sort of a confusion. So I was just confused here. See here, you can't find it, you can't remove it. So better come to the this one. This is the best way. You can always see here. This is what I told initially. Whenever you want to do it something, look here, you can also uninstall. Let me uninstall and try again. So I have uninstalled and now I'm going to connect it. Browser connector and I'm hitting here Blender. Once you hit here and you need to install. So install, it will be installing. Okay, now configure. So what does it mean configuration? This is what important. You can, you don't need to hit every time enter, enter, enter. You don't mind anyway, you are not doing with the production. Unless if you are doing in production, be cautious. Always need approval. Everything, if you have any doubts or any queries, please let me know in the comment box. I will respond as soon as possible.